Fan request. Carve a Miffy rabbit. Speaking of this little bunny, it reminds me of childhood. On pencil cases, erasers, notebook corners, she was everywhere. Miffy's design is simple, lines are clean, shapes are clear, perfect for beginner wood carvers. So let's get started together. Start first. You need a block of wood, 9x, 5x, 4 centimeters. It's okay if you can't draw. Search online for an official Miffy image. Trace it onto tracing paper, then transfer to wood with carbon paper. After drawing the outline, mark cut lines at key indentations to prepare for the next step. We've covered how to quickly remove excess wood. First, use a quick saw to cut across the grain, breaking large pieces into smaller ones. Then use a flat chisel to smooth away big chunks. Put on gloves, switch to a carving knife for tight spots. The gap between the ears is small, just roughly shape it for now. Details can be refined later. Use the hand knife carefully. Never let your thumb be in the path of the blade. Then outline the shape from the reference image. The head is a full round sphere. The body is a trapezoid, narrow top, wide bottom. The ears can be shaped as rectangular blocks, roughly in the middle, about 1 centimeter wide. Then carve away excess wood from the sides. This step is quite therapeutic, so enjoy the carving fun. Feel the wood grain and blade angle. If the blade digs in, or it starts splitting, the wood tells you to change direction. In the roughing stage, we can be conservative. Better to leave extra wood than cut too little. Separate ears from head, head from body, and body from feet, feet. Then roughly define high and low areas. Do the same on the back, and you'll get a blocky Miffy. Next, we refine the shape, turning square into round. Carving off the flat edges, the cross-section gradually becomes round. You can be bolder in this step. Don't be afraid of mistakes. You're still far from a mistake. Follow me step by step. This rabbit will be completed in your hands. It should look roughly like this. You can also separate body from arms. Arms are narrower than the body. Taper them front to back. Leave about 1 centimeter width. After separating, smooth the joint between them. It will look more natural. Then we gradually refine from top to bottom. Start with the ears. Ear base slightly narrow, slightly wider in the middle, then taper again near the head. I want to make it smoother. Concave shape makes ears look natural, not inserted. I'm using a 5mm round chisel. Use the round chisel for the joint, then smooth the transition with a craft knife. Of course, without a round chisel, you can use the craft knife tip to gently carve. Be sure to carve thin layers here. Otherwise, you'll leave rough knife marks. Repeat the same for the other ear. Now you have 2 round ears. Then refine the arms. They still look a bit wide, so narrow them a bit more. Outline the sleeve and fist boundary. The fist can be seen as a small ball. First make a 90-degree vertical cut to stop, then a 45-degree angled cut. The 2 cuts meet, and the wood falls away naturally. Finally, round off the fists and it's done. The hem of the skirt can flare out a bit, or you can gather it into a round bottom. Chubby or slim, it's your style. Now we have the 2 foot blocks. First, sketch a center line. Currently, the feet are a bit big. Cute Miffy can't have size 43 feet. Taper them in a bit. Separate the 2 feet from the toes, then separate the soles. Finally, separate the heels. That's the process. You can shape the feet however you like. Miffy was originally flat, but making it 3D gives room for creativity. Your Miffy, your call. At this point, my Miffy is almost complete. Do a full body check. Look for any sharp edges or any rough spots. Many friends ask what to do about splinters. My answer, carve them off. Sounds like a no-brainer, but that's how it is. Beginners often leave rough spots from inaccurate cuts. Just make a few more and you'll improve. Don't stress over it. Once the whole body is smooth, start painting. Classic colors: orange-red skirt, white body. You can also go wild pink ears, blue skirt, or even a polka dot skirt. Childhood memories. Paint it as you remember. This is a simple yet effective project. Use it as a desk ornament or a hanging decoration, or give to a friend who had Miffy stationery. It's a great idea too. Give it a try now. You can definitely do it. See you next time. Bye-bye.